Hi guys. So for this lesson in Learn Jamaican, we are going to be asking a simple question. Are you going out tonight? Are you going out tonight? So translated back into Jamaican patois, we would ask Yaah go tonight, or you are go tonight, you are go tonight, you are go tonight, Yaah go tonight, you are go tonight, you are goat, you are go tonight. Are you going out tonight? You are go tonight. Are you going out tonight? You are go tonight. So and if you listen to the go out, we would say goat. So it's like, and I would spell it like G-O-U-T as gout. So it's Yaah go tonight. Are you going out tonight? Yaah go tonight. Yaah goat, G-O-U-T. So it's like joining up. So as I said, it's English. If you know how to listen to it, it's pure English with a little twist to it. So are you going out tonight? Yaah go tonight. Yaah go tonight. Are you going out tonight? Yaah go tonight. Yaah go tonight. So asking your Jamaican friends or whatever, are you going out tonight? Yaah go tonight. And it's are you, which is you. Are you going? Goat. It's go out. But we say it so fast and it's so joined together. Go out. It's goat. Not goat, but are you? Yeah, goat tonight. Go out. Goat. Yeah, go tonight. You know, tonight. Yeah, go tonight. Yeah, that's it, and that's our lesson. And as always, the written translation is in the description. And do what you do, like for whatever it is. And yeah, anything you'd like to know, just ask. And yeah, I'm here. Do what you do. Until next time, see you around. Yaah go tonight. Yaah go tonight. And ask if you are go tonight. Are you going out tonight? Do you wanna take me out? We could dance all night. We say, Yaah go tonight. Yaah go. Bye.